Hello everyone, this is Yashika Gaba and you are watching Quality Zone Infotech. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. So today our topic is local SEO. So first of all, question arises, what is local SEO? Local SEO is a search engine optimization SEO strategy that helps your business be more viable in local search results on Google. Any business that has a physical location or serves a geographic area can benefit from local SEO. If you search Google for any important keywords related to your business and the map with 3 listing appears underneath it, also known as a map pack, then local SEO can help you grow your business. After analyzing the behavior of users during trillions of searches, Google figured out that people seeking certain types of business can need results from their immediate area. That's why Google local search engine algorithm includes a proximity factor, which is a fancy way of saying that Google takes your location into account when you search for a local keyword or query with a local internet. This happens even when the searcher doesn't include a city name or near me in their search. So if you are at your work and want to get a pizza delivered for lunch, for example, Googling pizza delivery shows a list of locations near your office in its local SERPs, that is search engine result page. Now let's see the uses of local SEO. So first is improve online visibility. The first 5 results of Google collect 67.6% of user clicks. This is not including the paid ads featured on the top of the page. Second is build a community. Businesses and consumers alike are sinking into the importance of building a community and keeping the local economy live. When your business starts making efforts to link and connect with other local companies, you will see the effects online and off. Next is more relevant traffic. 72% of local searches resulted in an in-person visit within 5 miles of users. When you target local consumers, you're encouraging web visits from people who may actually come and visit you. Fourth is local return customers. As we mentioned before, customers are seeing more and more value in supporting the local economy. Beyond this, doing business in your area is more convenient. Next is build trust and authority. Consumers assume that high-ranking companies have been vetted by Google and are trustworthy business. Next is reduced ad cost. Organic traffic has taken over as the most valuable audience for business, while paying for ads may have been your only chance at high visibility. Before using local SEO will reduce your need to these measures. Next is increase sales. An increase in relevant traffic leads to a boost in sales. With local customers prepared to buy, showing up as an authority in your area will increase your chance of being the landing spot for their purchase. Now let's see how does it works. Each search engine has one mission to produce the best results for a user query. To do this, search engine use artificial intelligence to crawl, index and rank all online content and filter out the best results. Your positions on the results page relies on your website containing the necessary elements. Google wants and leaving out penalizing elements. Local SEO works to gain preferences from these platforms with a more specific target. Instead of competing with the major companies in your market, you will be working to stand out in your community. Techniques like including location-specific terms in keywords and backlinking to the local event pages will boost your presence in a more relevant area. This will increase your rank position when nearby searches look for your product or services. Now the question arises how businesses can benefit from it. First is enhanced traffic. Do you know that the local information is the subject of 46% of all Google searches? Every business shines on traffic. When you are the owner of a big company or running a salon down a corner, you will stay as long as upon a traffic. And if you have registered your business digitally, local SEO allowed and enhancing your traffic. When you focus on local potential customers, you are encouraging individuals to visit your website who could come to see you. When you use a thorough SEO strategy for a local firm, you risk getting a bunch of slow traffic, and you surely don't want that. Targeting local people will redirect local traffic to your site, which eventually results in sales. Second is better conversion rates. One of the benefits of local SEO is it drives potential customers to your site and improve conversion rates. According to Jewel House Search Media, 28% of the local search results in sales. So there is no denying that local SEO results better conversion rate, increased traffic flow results in increased sales. Third is less advertising cost. It costs you very less for advertisement of your business. Fourth is continuous business growth. Fifth is long lasting rankings. And sixth is gain more local reviews. So with this, thank you very much. If you need any of our help for business purposes regarding local SEO, you can contact Quality Zone Infotech or visit our website anytime. If you like my content, please press the like button and please share your opinions in the comment section. Thank you.